Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick act tutorial. So I had a client reach out to me and talk to me and ask me questions about colors in ACT. And there are certain things that as an ACT software user or software user of any type, I know we all fall into habits and routines in the way we use software. Well, one of the questions he asked me was about colors and adding colors to things when they schedule them. And the person was coming from the desktop version of ACT to the cloud version and asked me the question, can you do colors? And I didn't really respond positive or negative. I just said, you know what? I don't think so. But then I started thinking about it. I looked into it and I realized, yeah, of course you can. So in ACT Premium Cloud, you can actually change colors for different types of activities. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to come up on the top border and I'm going to click on call. So let's say we want to schedule a call. When I go down towards the bottom, you'll notice the color of this call is blue. If I want to change it to another color, I can click on the drop down and select a different color. If I come back out of this and instead of scheduling a call, I say, you know what, I want to schedule a meeting. Well, if I look down at the bottom, the meeting is also blue, but maybe a meeting's a little more important. So let me show you how I can manage this. I'm going to click on cancel to get out of here. And once I've done that, I'm going to now come up to the schedule option and I'm going to come down to where it says activity types and I'm going to click on that. So an example in my mind of how you could use this is, let's say that you wanted to make meetings pop a little bit more so that when a meeting is on your calendar, it is a different color. Well, I'm going to click on meeting and I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to come in here and when it shows the color, I'm going to choose the color red, which is this one, I believe. You'll notice it's a faint red, but the left-hand side's a dark red. So now, and I can do some other things in here, but I'm focusing on the colors for right now. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to save that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up, after I get out of here, I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to come up and click on a meeting. And I'm just going to put a meeting for right now. And I'm just going to say in the subject line red, I'm going to click save. It's going to put it on my calendar for right now. And there it is. It's red. If I come up and schedule a call, you're going to see it is going to be blue. I'm just going to type in call and hit save, and it will schedule a call. I'm going to accept that. And now you'll see the call is there. So what can you do with this? You can make things pop on your calendar by attributing or giving it a different color based on what works for you. In another tutorial, I'm going to talk about creating activity series or activity types, I should say, that fit the way you work. And they can be unique, it can be specific. There's pros and cons to doing those, but I'll get into that a little bit more in those videos. Okay, my friends, I hope this was helpful to you and you have a great day. Thank you very much. Be well. Bye now.